Hi, today I'm making myself a face mask. Now I know there's some places where you don't have to wear them anymore, but in my country there are still a few places, especially closed ones, where you need one. So I'm making a Colleen Estrada one. Colleen Estrada is an American designer. I'm not sure where she's from, but she presents during New York Fashion Week. And she's really cool. She has very funky clothes. She's very into nature and the environment. And actually something you might have seen of her is the giant horse face Kim Petras wore for last year's Met Gala. So yeah, that's Colleen Estrada. And at the beginning of the pandemic, she made one of the coolest face masks. I'm gonna put a picture here. So the face mask is pretty easy. It's like a normal shape. The thing is, it has giant ribbons to tie behind the ears, and that's what I liked about it. And I picked this fabric. It's really pretty. I have this scrap of fabric. I think I made a backpack and a skirt with this one. I bought it at the tapestry section. Is that how you say it? English is not my first language, so sorry if some words are wrong or anything is mispronounced. And for the ribbons or laces, I don't know, I picked this black velvet. It looks weird, but it's black velvet, and I think it looks good. They look good together. So let's start. So what I did first was grab one of these surgical masks. I'm sure everyone has one. And I folded the way I wear it to keep the shape. And then I drew all around it roughly. It doesn't have to be perfect, just to get the shape. And this is how it looks like. Wait. This is how it looks like. I elongated this part a little so the ribbons wouldn't wrinkle here, and instead a little more up. And I added like a 1/4 inch everywhere because that's where we're gonna sew it. We're gonna cut 2 pieces of fabric with this one, and also 2 pieces with this one. This, according to Amazon, is a fabric they used to make face masks, so I'm gonna use it as the filter. Also, I don't know if you can see, but I stitched here and here, very close to the edge stitch, so it maintains a nice shape. And now I'm going to do the same with my flower fabric. So now both fabrics are sewn together. That's how it's going. And now I'm just going to attach the ribbons. And now for the ribbons, I'm gonna draw a rectangle as long as my fabric, which is 50 inches long and 4 inches tall. But at the center of it, I'm gonna make it thinner because that's what our face mask is gonna be. I'm gonna make it like 1 inch tall, and I'm gonna link this inch with the rest of the ribbon. Also, I make the ends like this because I think they look better. First, I'm gonna attach the middle part of the ribbons to the face mask. And then I just fold like a 1/4 inch and stitch all the edges. And this is the final result. It covers a lot of my face, but that's kind of the point of face mask, so I like it.